On this episode of the Dude's Kitchen, we're making our own version of a McRib sandwich. Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen, and today it's so nice outside. It's the middle of November, seriously, and so we're going to cook outside. We got the setup inside, but man, I had to do it out here. I've already put some of the stuff away. I had to drag some of it back out, but that's all right. So you know all the hype lately about McDonald's McRib, and I've had one in my life, and it was like, yeah, okay. So I looked up the ingredients on it and went, wow, pork something shaped in a rib. So anyhow, I thought, I can do better than that. So real simple. I got ribs. We're gonna cut them, take silver skin off. And down goes a very important ingredient. That's okay. That rib. So to take the silver skin off, just kind of hook it in the spot. I think most of you know how to do it anyways, right? But if you don't, we'll show you anyway. Take a paper towel or two. Just kind of grab it. Just tears right off. Check it out. Tears right off, just like that. Super simple. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some Uncle Steve's shake. Now, I got this stuff online because I happen to see his YouTube page. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in buying this stuff. I've had it on several ingredients. Man, I love this stuff. So, just going to put it on like this, man. Put it on nice and thick. Now, you could use some mustard on this and it would probably help out, but at this point, I'm not gonna worry about it. This stuff sticks pretty good. Now I'm going to take my tin foil that's approximately the same size as our rib. And to me, it doesn't matter if it's face up, face down with the tin foil. It all works the same. Put it on like this. Apple cider vinegar. I like to cook with apple cider vinegar. Just put a little bit down here on both sides. Kind of keeps it, allows it to remain moist. Right? So wrap this up nice and tight. We're going to have to put a little extra layer on, no biggie. Could cause some problems down the road when we're trying to keep it moist when we add more apple cider vinegar to it, but that's no big deal. Jeez. So, take another strip same size. Wrap it up again. Now it's all nice and wrapped and sealed. Now we're going to throw it onto the barbecuer for about 45 minutes. Then we're going to take a look at it. Put it down. Now I'm going to let this thing heat up to about 250. It's perfect because 250 just allows it to just kind of go slow enough to heat up. But what we want to do is take the ribs that are inside of it and make them pull back and get them soft enough so they just pull right out, and that we can use for our sandwich. So we're going to see in about 45 minutes, or in our case, in about a second. Right, guys, you hear the timer? That means it's been 45 minutes on our ribs. Let's shut the timer off. Stop. And let's check out these ribs. Oh, they're juicy. Woo! Well, that's a good looking rib so far. Very nice. Close, but we're not quite there. So next thing we're going to do is, it's kind of sacrilegious. I don't think that normally we would do this, but because we're not going to just eat these things like normal, I'm going to cut them in half. Okay. And then I'm going to do to them again the exact same thing that we did earlier. Of course, drinking a beer. Why not? It's noon somewhere, right? So, piece of tin foil. Jesus. I swear, the dogs in this neighborhood bark constantly. I mean, I get it, the dogs bark. I really do, but come on. Just put our apple cider vinegar over the top. Seal that bad boy up. Okay. We're going to do it to the next one. We do it to the next one. Put our apple cider vinegar over it. Wrap it up on the side so we seal it. And I did the same thing to this one that I did on when it was the original one. So I'm going to wrap it again. That's okay. It happens. Alright, so now we're all sealed up. We're going to put it back on the barbecuer for 45 minutes, and then we're going to check them out again. Okay guys, the timer just went off for 45 minutes. Let's check these things out. I bet we're getting closer. Boy, if you could smell this right now. Amazing. Oh. Numero uno. We're getting so close. Tony, I know this is a lot of work for a McRib sandwich, but it's worth it, guys. Totally worth it. Seriously. How could you not like that? Look at that. Oh, it's going to come right off soon. Very soon. So, I'm going to take some Steve's again. Lightly apply it this time. Apply it to the other side too. The crazy thing is these things are so thick that it's just going to take a while. And that's okay. Take all the time you need. Take our apple cider vinegar. Pour it in there. Get it around. Put it back on. Whoa. See if we can do this without tearing. Now we have a street cleaner coming by. Such is life. Alright guys, we're going to put this down for 30 minutes. We're going to check it out. Okay guys, so it's been almost 30 minutes. That timer's going to go off here in just a second. So let's grab these things, check them out. The smell, still amazing. There's the timer. We'll stop it. Oh, you could smell this. Woo. Oh. Yeah. Here's the deal, guys. Sorry. These things are so close. I'm going to give them another 30 minutes. Cap them back up. Let them do their things. Actually, I'm going to throw them in for about 20. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take these bad boys out. The smell is amazing. Look at this. I'm gonna take this off and show you. This is amazing. You see that? Oh, there's a piece of meat. it just comes right off. Literally. That is the rib or McRib. Look at that. Oh. Hardly wait to try this thing. We have our meat for our McRib. Let's go to part 2. Let's get to making this bad boy. So now with everything together, this is the beauty part. We can put whatever we want. I can put as many onions or as many pickles as I want on this. I can put mayo or sriracha sauce, ketchup on it, whatever. I could put even more barbecue sauce on it if I want. So this is what I love about making this at home. I'll start with a little mayo. Lay that bad boy down. Got me some sriracha sauce, you know me. I love that stuff. Lay it down. Woo-hoo. Onions. Gotta have onions on this. More the better. Same with pickles. As many pickles as I want on this. Now, here's the beauty part. Watch this. Here's the sandwich right here. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. I really do. I'll never eat at McDonald's again. Holy moly, that's amazing. Guys, you know this is simple to make. It just takes a little bit of time. Well worth it. So if I were going to make this like low carb or carb free, the only part I would change up, be honest with you, is with the bun, you could make it out of lettuce. Make it protein style like they say at In-N-Out Burger. I use a low carb barbecue sauce to begin with. And there's 2 grams of carbs and 0 sugars, I'm guessing, because it doesn't even list sugars on it. Super simple to make, guys. Give it a shot. Tell me what you think. I'm going to go back to eating this here in just a moment, but anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. Really appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. It means a lot to us. It really, really does. Anyhow, thanks again everybody for watching, and remember, the dude abides. This time with a McDude's rib sandwich.